Hello, Harrison here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your problems with the YouTube Music app. First of all, what you want to do is go up to the App Store, search bar, YouTube Music here, YouTube Music, and maybe where is the open bar, maybe you got update. If the app isn't updated, maybe this is when you update, this is gonna fix your issues with the app. But if this still didn't work out, maybe you just need to go to settings, go down, go to the apps, click here, go to the YouTube Music, and maybe the problem is when you are out the field, out of the home, and you don't have Wi-Fi, only your mobile data, and you want to watch some video on YouTube or listen something on your YouTube Music, and you go to the settings, you search as I am, and you see the mobile data is off, so you can't watch on your mobile data, listen, and you just need to enable, and that should be it. If the issue is still, I don't know. If video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.